Hello friends, welcome back to your English class. Today we will discuss the fourth chapter of your supplementary reader, The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. The chapter is discussing in detail the fellow feelings among the human beings and the national loyalty in contrast. Our discussion will be divided into three sections. First, we will go through a general introduction. We will talk about the author, then its theme, then we will talk about the major characters which will come across in the whole story. Then we will discuss in the second section the short summary of this chapter through our mind map method, and in the last section we will see some questions and their answers which have appeared in the previous year CBSE question papers. So this is the mind map for our general introduction. This is the name of the chapter, The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. Let us have a word about the author. Pearl S. Buck was born in 1892, West Virginia, USA. Her parents were Southern Presbyterian missionaries stationed in China, where she spent 40 years of her life. She won Pulitzer Prize in 1932, Howell's Medal in 1935, and Nobel Prize in 1938. She was the first American woman to come to this achievement. She published more than 70 books comprising novels, collections of short stories, biographies, poetry, drama, children's literature, and translations from Chinese to English. The chapter under our study having the theme of universal brotherhood and loyalty towards one's profession. Dr. Sadao saved the life of an American prisoner of war. The whole story is centered around this Dr. Sadao. He is a Japanese doctor, and he saved the life of an American prisoner of war from US Navy. His name is Tom, while he was found at the seashore in a deadly injured condition by a gunshot on his lower back. Being a doctor by profession, he decided to operate upon this man to save him. No doubt, Dr. Sadao had to face the refutation from his servants, who treated it against the government and nature in general, which will surely take revenge upon him. But Dr. Sadao was above all hatred, differences, and biasness. He opted universal brotherhood and loyalty towards his profession of being a doctor, and treated Tom, the American prisoner of war, and ultimately saved his life. He provided him food and boat and other things so that he may catch some ship to reach his own country. The major characters which will come across in this story are Dr. Sadao Hoki himself. He is a Japanese doctor, and his wife Hannah. Third important character is the American prisoner of war, Tom. His name Tom comes only for once. Other than this, white man has been used for him. Then one more important character is the Army General of Japan. In need of an operation, he is under treatment of Dr. Sadao, and for this only reason Dr. Sadao has not been sent with the troops. The three servants of Dr. Sadao, I have put them jointly here as a character number 5: Yummy, Gardener, and Cook. Yummy is the maid, then comes the gardener, and a cook is there. So these are the total 5 main characters. The time space where we are to talk about is the time of World War between America and Japan. They are both at war, and Dr. Sadao was the only doctor who has not been sent with troops because the Army General needs an operation. He is under treatment, and Dr. Sadao has been trained in America, thus considered to be the best doctor in Japan. His house is at the sea coast, where he found an American prisoner of war in an injured condition and decided to cure him. This is the general introduction of this chapter. Now we will discuss the short summary of the chapter in 10 points through a mind map. Friends, this is the mind map I have prepared and try to summarize the whole chapter in 10 points. First of all, we will discuss the 10 points, 10 main incidents that will come across in the chapter. The whole chapter is of 23 pages. It is so lengthy to discuss here through this video. I will see the comments. If you people feel difficulty in reading the text, then I will make another video and make you easy in reading the text. I will provide you some important meanings of the words that are difficult for you to understand. Let us see the 10 points. First of all, we will see the chapter starts with the introduction of Dr. Sadao Hockey. Then the important incident that will come across is arrival of the prisoner of war. His name is Tom. The third important incident is that the problems which are faced by Dr. Sadao to save this prisoner of war. Then comes the incident of surgery. Then the care and checkup done by Dr. Sadao and his wife. Then we will talk about the servant's perspective. Servant's perspective means how they look this incident, what is their point of view, we will discuss. Then comes two major incidents which have happened on the 7th day after the operation took place. Then we will discuss the meeting of Dr. Sadao with the Army General. This is the first meeting. After that, second meeting will also happen. Then comes Sadao decision, what his decision was. And lastly, there is another meeting with the general and the reminiscences of Dr. Sadao, the memories of Dr. Sadao about the Americans whom he had interacted in his whole life. This is the short story of the chapter in 10 points. These are the 10 main incidents that come across in the whole chapter. Otherwise, the chapter is very lengthy. Let us discuss in detail, point by point. Let us talk about the first point, introduction with Dr. Sadao Hockey. He is a Japanese doctor and he is a researcher as well. He is making research over how to cure the wounds entirely clean. This is his topic of research. He is trained in America and he is living at the seashore at Japanese coast, and the house was built by his father. This is covered by pine trees from both sides, and on the both sides there are fishing villages as well. Right from his house he can see the sea. Then comes the point of his father's point of view. His father's chief concern was his education, and to give him education he sent him to America to learn surgery, and ultimately Dr. Sadao also proved himself and he became a doctor and researcher as well. He met Hannah there in America. Dr. Sadao met Hannah in America at his opinion. They got married after returning from America and with the permission of their parents in the typically traditional Japanese way. The most important point here is that he was not sent with troops, with army, on the request of the Army General, because this is the time of war between America and Japan, and troops have been sent, and with the troops doctors have been appointed for the treatment of the soldiers. But Dr. Sadao has not been sent because he is treating the Army General and he is considered to be the best doctor in Japan. So the best doctor has been kept here for the treatment of Army General. He will need later on an operation. Dr. Sadao will operate upon him and he will also be saved. The second point, which is of great importance, that is of arrival of the prisoner of war. His name is Tom, but this name will come across only for one time. Other than he has been called by the phrase white man. He was washed ashore in front of Dr. Sadau's house because Dr. Sadau's house is just in front of the sea. He was found unconscious when Dr. Sadau went there and saw that this man was lying on the seashore and he was completely unconscious. And when Dr. Sadau examined him, he found that there is a gunshot on his lower back. So doctor suddenly realizes that the man has been shot by a gun. Then comes Dr. Sadau's dilemma. What the problem is that Dr. Sadau identified the person being from US Navy, and this is the time of war between America and Japan. So the problem before Dr. Sadau is to decide whether he is to save this person or to put him into the sea or to hand him over to the police. These are the three options before him and he is to choose one option from these three. Either he is to choose this first option, put him back into the sea so that the soldier will surely die, or to hand him over to the police, then also the patient will die because he is a patient and Dr. Sadau is a doctor by profession. Lastly, the option is of saving the patient, and Dr. Sadau went with this third option and he took him home, bring home and laid it in his father's empty room. His father had passed away, but the room has not been used by anybody else, and the room is decorated with traditionally Japanese things which are of a Japanese choice. Ultimately, doctor decided to operate upon him, and he will operate him and he will ultimately save him. First of all, before the operation, he needs to be washed because the person was so dirty and he was in rags only. Now the third important point is what kind of problems Dr. Sadau had to face in operating upon this prisoner of war. First problem is that there are 3 servants and they can call the police and he may be arrested. His reputation would be endangered. He is a reputed one. His family's future could be shattered, and Dr. Sadau would be considered a traitor. These are all the problems. All were frightened. All of the family members, Dr. Sadau, his wife, and 3 servants, all are frightened with the coming of this white man, and they want that this white man should die. Everybody wants that this white man should die. But Dr. Sadau, being a doctor, he is loyal to his profession and he believes in human brotherhood, international brotherhood, and he will operate upon this prisoner of war and he will ultimately save him. But Dr. Sadau should not help the enemy. They want all the 3 servants. Yami, the maid, she refused to wash the prisoner of war. So ultimately, Hannah, being the most confident wife, so she did it. Now we will discuss about the time of the incident of surgery of that American. During the time of surgery, Dr. Sadau was completely absorbed in operation. He forgot everything. It is his habit to be completely absorbed in his profession, in his work when he is at work. He never listen anything and he always concentrate on what he is doing, because his anatomy professor once told him that you should be very much careful about the anatomy of anybody. If you are not aware of the anatomy of a human body, you are going to make a murder. He asked Hannah to give anesthetic. Anesthetic means a kind of medicine which makes a person unconscious for a time being only. But Hannah had never given anesthetic to anybody, and she has not seen blood before, so she started vomiting, and this kind of incidents made the doctor ruthless. So he is now in anger, or you can say ruthlessness, started this operation in a hurry. But later on, Hannah came back and gave anesthetic to the person. Hannah see some scars on the neck of this soldier, and she makes a comment that those scars, but doctor is so much absorbed in his operation that he never see to it. Ultimately, doctor pulled out the bullet from his body. The patient screamed, cried with pain, but doctor had to do his work, and it was his general habit that he called his patients with the phrase "my friend," and the same happened here also, that he called this prisoner of war as my friend. Ultimately, he will have to pay for that if he had called somebody a friend. He gave him an injection to raise the pulse and make the comment that he will be saved ultimately. After the operation, some care and checkup is needed, which was given by Hannah and Dr. Sadao both. Hannah fed him, and prisoner of war awoke and getting cure day by day. She gave him food and proper cure, regular checkup, and suggested to rest by Dr. Sadao. Once he was trying to get up and talk to Hannah, suddenly Dr. Sadao came there, and he scolded him that he should not do it, or it will be dangerous for his life. Doctor was confused between loyalty towards nation or loyalty towards nation or loyalty towards universal mankind. This is a confusion which is still there in the mind of Dr. Sadao, whether he should hand him over to the police because he is absolutely fine now, or he is to make him go away to his own country. Then the important point which is of great importance for us, that is servant's perspective, with which point of view the servants look at the whole incident. They think that white man is their enemy because America and Japan, they are at war. World war is going on between them, and doctor, their master, should let the men die. If both government and nature, they have taken revenge upon this man, so doctor should not be proud of his skill and try to save his life. Doctor should leave him, and he will die surely. Doctor and Hannah both, they are trained in America. They were in America earlier. I told you that Dr. Sadao's father sent him to America to learn surgery, and servants consider that Doctor and Hannah both were in America before, so they have forgot the loyalty towards their own country, and consider that blood is the best of the fertilizers. The cook was there to make this statement, who was trying to prove his point that the white man should die. Now we will discuss two incidents which are of great importance considering our CBSE question papers that have happened on the 7th day. The first incident is that servants all the three servants, they left altogether. And if the servants are going away, the whole burden of the household work will be shifted to the household lady, Hannah, and she had to do everything. Doctor was there in the house and he helped with the babies. The second incident that happened was a messenger from general. There was a messenger who came in uniform to Dr. Sadao's house, and Hannah saw him for the first time. She was very much scared that the servants must have revealed everything. She came to Dr. Sadao panting. She was taking a deep breath when she came to his study. But there was a message from the general for Dr. Sadao to come to the palace, because Dr. Sadao is treating the general, and general was feeling pain. Now there comes a meeting between Dr. Sadao and the army general. Dr. Sadao told everything about the white man's coming and his operation and all that. But general showed his trust in Dr. Sadao, and he gave him words to save him as well. He promised to send private assassins. The general was having his own private assassins who can kill anybody silently, and they can wash their body as well. He promised to send him his private assassins so that they may kill the white man. Just he wanted to open the outer partition, outer lid open, so that the person will come and they will kill the white man. And Dr. Sadao told him that it remains always open, and they will also wash the body. But after that, Sadao waited for 3 nights. The whole family was in unrest because Dr. Sadao was scared of the murder in his house. And for the 3 nights he waited, but nothing happened. Prisoner of war was still there in his house. Every morning he went there first, he checked, and he found that the white man was there. Now ultimately Dr. Sadao is to take decision whether he is to hand him over to the police, or he is to ask him to leave his house or went to his own country. So now it was inconvenient for Dr. Sadao to have this prisoner of war any longer in his house, because it could be dangerous for his family when some private assassins are coming to his home, and they could be victim of any incident. So he decided ultimately to give him a boat near the shore, because his house is at the seashore. So he decided to give him a boat with the food, clothes, bottled water, and quilts. 2 quilts were there. And lastly, he gave him a flashlight. Flashlight was given just to make signals. What kind of signal? 2 flashes at the time of sunset. 2 flashes at the time of sunset if food runs out. Otherwise, he has been instructed to fish fresh fishes which are available just nearby the islands which are in front of his house, Dr. Sadao's house. And do not signal in darkness, because if he is making signals in darkness, it could be seen. And don't use fire. He is to eat the fish raw, because it could be seen. And he asked him to wait for the Korean fishing boats which comes nearby the island, and he can catch those Korean fishing boats, and then he can went back to America. Sadao saw his flashlights 2 times and slept quietly that night. The last night when prisoner of war went away from his house, he slept quietly because there was no danger of any assassins coming and making any incident. Ultimately the White man was also not there, and day by day situations became normal. The servants returned to his house, and his life rolled down in the same fashion. The last and the most important point is the reminiscences of Dr. Sadao when the doctor was standing in the veranda of his house, and he was thinking of all his American acquaintances. He told the army general in the second meeting of the prisoner of war's escape after his operation. When he conducted the operation of army general, after that army general was in a good condition, good health. Then he told him that the prisoner of war escaped from his house, and he was also agree that he was confessing also of forgetting to send his private assassins, because he was general of army and he had a lot of burden during the time of war. So he forgot to send his private assassins. Thinking of all his American acquaintances, Dr. Sadao, remembering his old friends in America, his professor, his name is Professor Hurley, in whose house he met Hannah, and then his other friends, the household lady in America who was so voluminous and food was so bad there. All these things he is remembering. And lastly, the reader, we people, we are left with a question by Dr. Sadao: why I could not kill him? This is a question, and the answer is very simple, that Dr. Sadao was to make a choice between human fellow relationship and the national loyalty. Either he can be a patriotic person or he could be loyal to his profession. So this is the whole summary of the chapter. Now we will talk about some questions that have appeared in the previous year's CBSE question papers. First question is, in what condition did Dr. Sadao find the American soldier at the seashore? The question appeared in All India CBSE 2015 set 1 for 3 marks. Here I have collected the value points which are given in the CBSE marking scheme. The value points are: when Dr. Sadao saw that American at the seashore, he was motionless, his face in the sand, and when he touched him, he found that the person was unconscious and there was a gun wound on the right side of his lower back which had been reopened with his touch. Flesh was blackened with the gunpowder. You have to mention these 3 points in your answer so that you may score all the 3 marks if such question appear in your examination. Question number 2, which appeared in 2015 set 2 All India CBSE examination: what role did the American professor play in bringing Hannah and Sadao together? American professor, Professor Hurley, and his wife, they were very kind-hearted and they were anxious to do something for their foreign students. Foreign students because Dr. Sadao was a Japanese and he was studying surgery in America, so he was a foreigner there. Professor Hurley invited students to his place, and Sadao found that the rooms in his house, they were too small and food was also so bad. But he met Hannah there and he felt he would love her if it were all possible. Ultimately, they make a relationship, but they get married with the permission of their parents after returning from America in Japan in traditional Japanese style. The question number 3 is, what was Sadao's father's dream for him? How did Dr. Sadao realize it? We have discussed the points that Sadao's education was his father's chief concern. he was sent to America at the age of 22 to learn all he could of surgery and medicine. He became an eminent surgeon and scientist. He was making a discovery, perfecting a discovery which would render wounds entirely clean. Up to the death of his father, he became a very famous doctor. You can also mention this point. Question number 4. To choose between professional loyalty and patriotism was a dilemma for Dr. Sadao. How did he succeeded in betraying neither? None have been betrayed. He followed both. He showed his loyalty towards his profession and towards his nation. Both have been shown by Dr. Sadao. The points suggested by CBSE are that there is a conflict between his duty as a doctor and a patriotic citizen. As a professional, as a doctor, he overcome his prejudice. He retained professional loyalty, treated the wounded American soldier. He cared during recovery period. He took care of that patient. And as a patriotic, as a Japanese, he informed the general about the prisoner of war's coming and his treatment. And without reluctance, without any defense, he accepted the general's decision to send his private assassins to his house and wash his body as well after murder. So these points you should mention in your answer. Now the question which is appearing, that is a part of that earlier question. How did Dr. Sadao perform his duty as a patriotic Japanese? We have discussed these 2 points in this question. But the question has been asked for 3 marks in 2019 set 121. Question number 6 is, how did the writer indicate that Dr. Sadao's father was a very traditional and conventional man? He was very traditional. Why? How can we notice it? His father was very much proud of his nation, Japan. He was having no chair or no bed of any foreign country. He was having everything of Japanese style. His son's education was his chief concern, and he would never have received, Dr. Sadao would have never have received henna unless she were a Japanese, because he is to marry with the permission of his father, and if henna is a Japanese, then only his father will accept the relationship. He would not allow any foreign thing at his home. His room, which was later on used for the operation of that American, was decorated with the traditional Japanese things. That is also a point which you can mention. Any 2 points would be sufficient to score 3 marks. Question number 7 is, what was Henna's role in Dr. Sadao's life when he brought home an injured American soldier? Henna was a supporting hand to Dr. Sadao. She supported Sadao in his every decision. First of all, when Yami refused to wash that American, she washed the soldier herself. She helped Sadao to operate. She gave anesthesia when the American tried to move in a fit of pain. She felt nauseated but continued. She vomited at the time of operation when she saw the blood of American for the first time in her life. Any 2 points would be suffice. Question number 8 is, explain the reaction of Dr. Sadao's servants when he decided to give shelter to an enemy in the house. First reaction was that they were all scared with the information of coming of that American in their house, because they considered that all Americans are their enemies. They became ruthless. They thought no treatment of a wounded soldier should have been done. Yummy, this is Yummy, not Rummy. Yummy refused to wash. Yummy refused to wash, and on the seventh day, they all together left the house, and both Dr. Sadao and his wife Hannah, they had to manage the house somehow. How did Dr. Sadao and his wife face the situation after their servants left them? What happened after leaving the servants? Hannah did all household work. She was not accustomed to it, not very much trained, but somehow she did all household work herself, cleaning, preparing food, taking care of children, along with taking care of the American soldier as well. He was also there in the house. Apprehensive that servants might report the presence of prisoner to the police, both were very much apprehensive that this could have happened, and they could be arrested, and Dr. Sadao may be treated as a anti-nationalist. Question number 10 is, why was Dr. Sadao not sent abroad with the troops during the war? Because he was perfecting a discovery on how to clean wounds entirely clean, and the most important point is that his army general was ill, and he was under treatment from Dr. Sadao and might need an operation. General didn't trust any other doctor, and he considered that General considered that American trained doctors are better than the Japanese trained doctors. So Dr. Sadao has not been sent with the troops. Apart from treating a fellow human being, question number 11 is, for what other reasons did Dr. Sadao decide to operate on the wounded American soldier? There are some professional ethics which demand that the wounded man must be saved. Being a doctor, he has to follow the ethics, and the man was not whole, means he was unconscious, he was a patient, he was having a gun wound on the lower back of his body. If not tended care, he could have died on the seashore. There were three options for Dr. Sadao at the time of Tom's arrival when he was at the seashore unconscious. There were three options. The first option was he could have thrown him back into the sea, or he would have handed over him to the police, and the third option was to save him, to operate upon him and save his life. And he went with the third one because he was having his professional ethics with him. Any 2 points would be sufficient to score these 3 marks. The question was of 3 marks. Question number 12 is, the enemy, the chapter portrays the victory of humanity in a moment of crisis. Illustrate this fact through the actions taken by Dr. Sadao for the enemy soldier. We have discussed this point in detail earlier. Dr. Sadao was torn between his duty towards his country and his duty as a doctor. He was to decide. Just we have discussed that there were 3 options before him. His patriotism made him inform the general about the prisoner. He was patriotic, so he informed the coming of the prisoner of war at his doorstep, and his final decision to let him escape was the best under the circumstances, because he waited for 3 nights. He couldn't sleep properly for those 3 nights. And the army general, he forgot. Strong humanitarian traits of empathy, compassion and devotion make him treat the enemy soldier. There were so many risks for him also. Risks everything in order to fulfill his oath to serve humanity. He risks his own reputation of being a researcher and a doctor. Ultimately, sensing favorable conditions helps the American soldier to escape. Any other relevant point also you can mention, but any 3 point, if you have mentioned any 3 point from these 6-7 points, that will be sufficient to score 6 marks, full 6 marks for this question. This question was of 6 marks. Question number 13, And the last one is the arrival of the American prisoner upsets Dr. Sadao's home. Give instances from the text in support of the above statement. We are to collect the statements. First of all, the household work was completely upset. Yummy, the nurse maid, refuses to wash prisoner, so Hannah was forced to wash because she didn't want that Dr. Sadao wash that ugly American. Sadao forced to operate on prisoner with Hannah's help. Servants show their annoyance by declaring masters were in the wrong. They refused to work and left altogether on the seventh day of the operation. Hannah and Sadao forced to manage household affairs and take care of their children and the prisoner as well. So these points, if you are mentioning, you will be able to score full 6 marks for this question also. So this is all about this chapter number 4, the enemy. We have made the general introduction, then the whole chapter summary in short through the mind map method, and then these 13 questions that have appeared in the All India CBSE examinations from 2015 to 19. Thank you very much. Thanks for being with me. Please like, share and comment for this video, and please press the bell icon so that you may get the latest updates from my channel. Thank you very much.